So there's birds. It looks first to make its circle over here. Okay, make a circle. So first I make the simple circle. After the circle, I make the simple. First make a simple circle like this, and then simple like this. Okay. Fine. Like this. Okay. And like this. Make first circle and then the big line. This is one. Okay. Big line. Okay. And here make the small line, the curve like this, one curve. Okay. And another curve like this, small curve. This part is smaller. Okay. And here is tongue. See, this is tongue. Okay. Okay. Now here I can make after the circle. Suppose this is the circle you are making first, and make a head. But for the body, it's like an oval kind of. This kind of oval you are making. Okay, this is oval shape. Very simple shapes like oval. Okay, this is the oval shape. Now this, after the oval shape, it is oval shape, it is circle shapes. Okay, very simple. You make here this is one wings, and you can make it this wings like this. Okay. These two leg. Okay, so very simple lines can create, take times, you can do after that inking and then color, but first pencil drawing, very simple. Okay, make it simple. So here like straight line, okay, and then circle. Oh, done, very good. This is circle, this is oval, and this is very simple. Okay, very simple. You can show beta after the finish. Rida can show if you finish. Here you just make here like this line drawing. Okay, next this little smooth lines can create over here. Okay, so you can, after that you can go ahead to the color. Okay, so it's talking something. Okay, here I can make some here. First make it line drawing. Okay, like this. I just make some line with the black glass mark, this pen, this brush pen. We are making first hair color. Before start the drawing, I need to erasing this part, extra line. Hi Manshavi, this actually kids class going on. Just wait few minutes. We are starting from the 7:15, but still you can watch, or if you want to sketching, can do sketch. This is yeah. So you can make it first. After the drawing, I just erasing these parts and creating the lemon yellow. Okay, here lemon yellow, and here I can create the red color. Okay. Like this. Okay, this is part some color, gray color or blackish, like this. Okay. make it more smoothly. Pose like this. Around this part is actually white. This bird. What's the name of this bird? You know, Joanna. What's the name? This bird's Achilles in. Hi Achilles, you wait 4 minutes. We have started 7:15. This is kids batch going on still. Wait for 4 minutes.
Sir, this is my batch.
Your batch is after 5 minutes.
Okay. I will wait.
Yeah, you wait.